we live in this modern society where the wiring is there,
Yes,
but our lifestyle is so disconnected from the relationship that the wiring was built in.
that's true. And that idea is called mismatch, the things we evolved for and the way we live being at odds with each other.
Yeah.
But we can always overcome mismatch. You have a beautiful flower garden on the deck right now, right? So just the idea of gardening and having the hands in the earth and being in relationships with plants is a step closer back to that thing that our nervous systems long ago lived with full time.
Yeah.
This idea that we're all, whether it's through gardening, through a fitness race, through hunting, through the type of music we listen to,
Or the food that we
or
eat.
the foods that we eat, we're trying to find that vitality of that ancient energy or honor it within us. That's my take. And when we do that, when we both do it in a positive way and we stress ourselves and we go for it and we're like, yeah, that's a human thing. That has human energy.